Hey guys, today I am making a tomatillo avocado salsa. So these are your first ingredients and what you're gonna do. It is 1 jalapeno and 5 to 6 tomatillos. I found some pretty big ones, so I only got 5. Find some smaller ones, then you can want to go with 6 tomatillos, okay? And you bring these to a boil until they're soft, not mushy. Hey guys, here is the tomatillos and the jalapeno cooked, and I'm gonna let it cool down now. Hey guys, well everything else is cooling. Let me just go over the ingredients, the rest of the ingredients that you will need. We're gonna start out with a 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1 large avocado. You want to take the pit out and peel off the skin. You want a garlic clove, 1, just chop it up, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. All right guys, here is the tomatillos and the jalapenos drained. One quick tip on the jalapenos that I forgot to tell you is that if you want a milder sauce, you will want to take out the seeds before you boil them, okay? So I'm sorry I forgot to mention that, but if not, you could just take off the stem and boil it whole. All right guys, so go ahead and get your nifty blender out, and you're going to add your tomatillos and jalapenos in there. All right guys, so basically I added all the rest of the ingredients. That's all you do. Add it to your blender, everything. And then you're going to go ahead and mix this all up. All right, you guys, I followed the instructions in that cookbook that I found this, and I think it needs more salt. So I'm going to go ahead and add more, but this is really good, and it's really thick. It's really good. Oh, wow, you guys, this is amazing. You know what? I ended up putting 2 teaspoons of salt. So it would have been then the whole total recipe, 2.5 teaspoons of salt. But you follow the 1/2 teaspoon first, because you might not be a salt person like I am, so but I did need more salt. So OMG, it's so good.